Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start, make sure the lighting. Okay, so it looks fine. This was such a rush that I even forgot to do my intro, outro, even my final thoughts on the car. What I like, don't like. Well, not much with the don't like, but anyway, you get the point. We had such a limited time. Yeah, I forgot to do all of this, and I hope still you enjoy. I will put subtitles because one, I was with face shield and mask, that I even had to put my face shield a bit down to show you when you see my nose, because I couldn't breathe and probably could hear a bit more, but it didn't work out. So I'll try my best to bring the audio up, but I'll still put subtitles. I didn't. This is not probably the best review out there, but I just tried it because this is my first time I reviewed my car outside of my own car. Hope you enjoy. Let's continue with the review. Hi guys, welcome back. So, if you want to go to Mercedes BGC, please contact Sir James Calang. I will put all his details down below. Thank you so much for this question. So this car has so much equipment. I will leave the brochure on screen right now. So this is the interior of the AMG GLA, as you can see. This is the base model, so it does not have the holes. I don't know how many inches there, so it's just only small. But it's not too bad. It's probably about the size of a phone. But it has all the tech you need. The Hey Mercedes, as you'll see later on in the test drive. We have your cruise control here, which is clever for someone for Mercedes right now to have their gear selector on the stock, so it's kind of like old school stuff, but it's helpful. So the interior here looks cleaner. You have a touchpad for the infotainment system. So since this is a touch where you put your hand here, cup holders, beautiful side bench, covered in gloss back, questionable, but it's fine for this. On this side, you have conventional adjustments for the seat. You don't want to touch it here. And also, to note, this is only conventional side, but the driver's seat has electronic manually adjusted seat. Beautiful carbon. This is here, I'm not sure, but still nice touch. Glove box, big enough, so that's good. So let's go to the back. Here, space in the back is very, very good for my style. I'm not the tallest person in the world. Footroom is good, knee massive. Headroom, also massive. So you have your one USB-C here, and I don't know, what is this for? I don't know. Anyway, net storage here, hard plastic, but you won't hit in easily, right? So I sit in the middle. Not too bad. It's not too. It's hard, but it's comfortable enough. Also, we have here Isofix tethers for both seats, by the way, and cool space here. So in case you don't have a third passenger, you just can fold it. It's not like just hanging around. So with this and practicality on this side, so let's go to the back, which is more important, which is the main part of this car. Also to know, this is not electronic assisted tailgate. So here in the back, very big space from what it is, since it's based on the A-class hatchback and honorable mention, and that's too, this GLA. So here you have your passenger. I'm not sure if it will fit, so I don't want to break anything for the full experience. Underneath you have your tire kit. Tire kit only. I thought there was a battery, sorry. And here if you fold down the seat, I don't know how many liters are this, but I'll just put it on the screen. So with practicality and here stuff out of the but Sir James allowed us to take a test drive of the car. So we will see in a bit.
Okay. Atras tayo konti, sir.
So dahan
Dito, sir. Wag, straight lang, sir. Hinek, dandan lang, sir. Up. Dandan. Alright. Then drive.
ganun lang pala.
Oo. Yes.
Kasi isa, yung mga car view, go up lang and down. Sabi ko, how do you put neutral? Once pala.
Okay. On the next, sir? On the next...
Other side na.
Pwede din siyang sports para hindi siya medyo maingay yung engine.
You can just shift anytime, ha?
Dito, sir.
Public to steering. What's the fuel consumption of this?
Fuel consumption, sir, is 14 kilometers per liter as gasoline.
Not bad. Then right na.
Ito lang kasi yung allowed route namin. So, yan. Hindi pa pwede makapag-
At least na. Kasi yung stop start
Yes, sir.
as base.
And then it has also a function like, hey Mercedes. Hey Mercedes.
Is it?
What can I do for you?
That's okay, even base cars have it.
Turn
I
on
thought,
the
I
AC.
thought it's only small.
Yes.
I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
Cancel. pwede pa tayo mag-ride. Basta ano lang.
So how much is insurance on these kinds of cars?
Insurance sir, mga nasa 70,000. Right turn right gear.
I can turn right now. Ayan na, di ba? Okay. Tigas pala.
Yeah, because Mercedes is parang hindi siya ganun ka. Mas possible hindi tayo chill lang. Yes, because
So what do you think about the Mercedes GLA AMG 200 line? If that's the full name, if I can remember. Wait, before I start there, you're wondering why I'm here. Of course, I said earlier in the video, I forgot to do my intro and outro. This is probably 2 days. The day after the editing, I realized I didn't even have an intro and outro. Let's start with the dislikes with the car. What I noticed, the transmission. Okay, from start stop traffic. It's kind of bit jerky. Even you see, even in the going out of the showroom, there's like little dart of the. Even me when I backed off just to let someone pass, if I remember. It was like surge. There's a surge of power, but it wasn't too bad. During the test drive, transmission is flawless. It's very responsive. What else I don't like? This might be for someone, but it's only what I noticed. The engine's a bit noisy when you floor the car, but when you're like around town, you're light-footed. It's fine. It's very quiet inside. Also, if you see during the last part of the test drive, the horn was so hard to push. Like even have to punch parang kang pinakyaw ganun. But that's all my dislike. That's the only dislikes I noticed because probably I turned right most of the time during the test drive. Okay, let's go to the likes. What did I like? Of course, the looks terrific in its class. Crossover, whatever you call it nowadays. There's so many SUVs. So, but for what it is, it's very good. Premium feel of everywhere. The interior, how the steering feels, paddle shifts, everything. Mwah. Tech and infotainment also great. I didn't do much because I couldn't connect my phone because I was using my phone for the filming literally. Shout out kay ate, the one who filmed for me. Thank you so much. And Sir James for making this test drive possible. Okay, going back. And VH, despite the noisy engine, like around town, the start was a cool feature to have. It's very quiet. You don't hear much outside. How do you describe an VH anyway? It's quiet. Comfort over bumps. I didn't even go over a hump on the test there, but yeah, we did going down the ramp and going up the ramp back to the showroom. Okay, I barely noticed it at all. Again, another good thing, the transmission, like when I floored it, it responds immediately. That was even I think eco or comfort setting. It was in the highest gear. What gear was that? 7, 6? Then I put my foot down, went back to second immediately. That's fast. That's very good. Handling wise, the steering is very light. Not much feedback, but it's light enough. Despite I've been turning right the whole time. So I barely noticed body lean because as I said, I kept turning right. And I couldn't notice body lean. Maybe, hopefully, if I have had a longer test drive, a long drive, I would have noticed more stuff with its handling wise only. Practicality, okay, not bad for a hatchback that's been lifted. If that's correct. I'm not sure if is that even an A-class that's been lifted. I don't know. There's so many models in the range that share the same platforms. What else? Plastic cladding, yeah. It's such a trend right now in the car industry. Like the Mazda CX-30 that has so much plastic cladding. So it's kind of hit or miss for me. But this one, the cladding is just right. Like, not too little, not too bombastic like the Mazda CX-30. It's just right. It fits its look. This conducts my first official car review outside my own car. So I want to shout out to Sir James Calang for making this test drive possible, and Mercedes-Benz BGC. I'll put everything again, as I said earlier in the video, put everything in the description down below. If you want to see them, go check them out. They're probably also one of the nicest people also I met in premium car brands. So hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe to this channel, and hopefully we can get more cars very soon.